you were late for this particular session. The time period had been reduced to 5 minutes only.
Anusandhan University, Bhubaneswar. So our topic is curriculum of legal education. We can see that in recent years there is a continuous creeping in the societies that leads to the complexities in the society. There is a disconnect between the curriculum and the courses of legal education with the realities of legal education. In past years of India, we see that there was a legal education, there was a legal system, but there was also a lack of transformation that should be needed.
First, we will start from the legal education in Vedic period. The legal education in Vedic period was totally based on the dharma. The sages heard the command of God and preached it to the disciples. It is also known as Shrutis, and the disciples remembered the Shruti and conveyed it to the common people, and it was known as the Smritis. Then we will come to the legal education in medieval India. In medieval India, there was no legal practitioners. The justice was totally based on the opinion of Hindu and Muslim kings. The Hindus' justice was based on the Dharma Shastra, and the Muslims' justice was based on the Quranic injunction. Then we will come to the legal education in British India. The East India Company introduced the British system of judicial courts. Legal service of British barristers could avail to only high class of rich peoples. Legal education in free India. After independence, the Bar Council of India was established by the Parliament under the Advocates Act 1961. The main goal of this act was to establish a uniformity in legal profession and to form a single class of attorneys.
There are certain issues and challenges that has been found when we go through these studies. There is a lack of principle-based legal education that should be implemented by practical exposure. There are certain universities that don't provide the moot court opportunities, debates, and legal research and writings. Not every state of India is having the educational institution that is run separately. In this regard, the legal education presently affiliated with the general education institution. Lack of practical knowledge and clinical trainings are also not dispensed in many law universities. Traditional teachings in classrooms also abet the interest of the students. There are certain colleges who acquire the regional languages. This creates linguistic barriers.
There are certain reforms should be needed.
Mona, please conclude and give her suggestion regarding the curriculum aspect. You have only 2 minutes.
Promoting philanthropy and practical experience. Initiative of altruism and creating endorsement can contribute to the welfare and financial support to the law colleges in expanding resources to offer legal aid clinic. Constant of sophisticated methods. Current system of education compelled to intricate, complicated situation mainly in understanding the pertaining the execution and concealment of premier method. Accessibility and inclusivity. Students from rural and economically disadvantaged backgrounds struggle to access quality of legal education due to financial instability and lack of support system. Now we will conclude that despite of various reforms, there has not been any remarkable change in scenario in India. Legal education in India faces provocation that constant the development of legal profession of lawyers. Reforms are essential to align present system of legal education with global standards. Emphasize practical training and bridge the gap between academia and legal profession which failed with content to practical exposure.
Thus, the various reports and judgments inculcated the revised syllabus in very comprehensible manner. The significance of Bar Council of India, UGC, law schools and universities, the role of new education policy 2020 and globalization must understand their duty to promote the qualitative method of legal education in consonance with the measure and suggestion given by the Committee on Legal Education.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity.